How to fix payment failed on Spotify. Let's get started. Launch a Spotify app or navigate to the website of Spotify. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now what you have to do is click on settings option, select the option premium. Now go ahead and click on the option view all plans. With that, you're going to find the fin subscription of Spotify. Now select the plan that you want to upgrade to, click on it. You'll be directed to this page from where you can easily update your payment method. First, you will need to double check your payment method. If your card is expired, has insufficient funds, or is blocked for international payments, it will fail. So here you're going to find different payment options. If you're using PayPal, you can use credit or debit card, and in case you are using credit or debit card and it's not working, you can use PayPal. If your payment method is valid and everything matches, call your bank. They might be blocking the transaction for security reasons, especially if it's flagged as requiring international charge. Next up, make sure your Spotify account's country matches the country of your payment method. If you moved or traveled recently, this could be causing the issue. Next, ensure your billing address on Spotify matches exactly with what your bank has on file. A mismatch, even in the chip code, can trigger a failed payment. Once you check all these details, you'll be good to go. Your payment will be accepted in Spotify. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.